Air fried frozen shrimp, one of my favourite foods to cook in the air fryer. Using shrimp, or you may call them prawns, that have already been peeled, already been cooked, and you're basically reheating them in the air fryer from frozen. Hello, my name is Samantha and I'm from the blog recipethis.com and also the voice behind the Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today, myself and my husband, who will be behind the camera, will be showing you the easiest of the easy, healthy air fryer and instant pot recipes that are ideal for beginners to instant pot and air fryers, but want something healthy that is just ridiculously easy to do and just perfect for when you're starting out with your new kitchen gadgets. And of course, this is part of our project of healthy instant pot and air fryer recipes. And don't forget to comment below with which kitchen gadgets you have, and also to subscribe to our channel and join our mailing list over at recipethis.com/newsletter, as we do have some amazing Learn Your Air Fryer and Learn Your Instant Pot courses to help you get you started on your kitchen gadgets journey. So another way to use frozen shrimp in the air fryer is just to keep it simple. To throw in some frozen shrimp with some lemon and seasoning, and you've got a fantastic snack. You can use as many or as few shrimp as you like. The shrimp that we use is already peeled, already cooked, and you literally just use the air fryer to reheat it. If you cook it slightly longer than I recommend, what can happen is the shrimp will kind of shrivel up and go really small, but it'll still be cooked and it'll still taste nice. It's just like, oh my God, how small did it get? So it's up to you what seasonings and whatnot you use on your shrimp. I've just got this lovely, cheap little barbecue rub that I got from my local supermarket. And then, of course, a bit of salt. And then what I prefer to do if I'm just doing plain shrimp is to squeeze in some lemon, because it makes such a difference and it stops it getting dry in the air fryer. You will find some pieces of the shrimp will be stuck together, but that sorts itself out as it cooks. So then, once you've sorted out your shrimp, place it in an air fryer basket and it's ready to air fry. I've noticed here that I could have added more seasoning, so I'm just going to add another extra sprinkle into it so that it's nice and flavoursome. My air fryer is also preheated, so if yours is not preheated, then your time will differ very slightly. My cook time is normally 8 minutes for shrimp, but on this recipe I'm going to take it down to 7 minutes because my air fryer's had a lot of action and it will overcook them. So 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of, if your air fryer is not preheated, 8 minutes, or if it's preheated, 7 minutes. And there's the bee. Let's check on our air fried frozen shrimp. And there you have it, perfectly cooked shrimp in the air fryer. Perfect for having on your prawn cocktails or however you like your shrimp or prawns. And of course we still have some more lemon left, so you could add some extra lemon if you wanted. Few just get stuck to the air fry basket, but that's common and it doesn't affect how it tastes. And then once you put your air fry basket back, you can have a look at your shrimps, add a bit more lemon if you want, add some extra seasoning and enjoy. So please comment below with which bread maker and air fryer you have at home in your kitchen. Here in the Milners, we have just a cheap bread maker that we got from Amazon Germany that we had shipped to us, and we also use the Philips Air Fryer XL, which we've had for a few years now. And if you are into air fryers and bread makers, do head over to recipethis.com, as we have a lot of recipes for you to choose from there, and all the recipes that we're mentioning in these videos you can find over there too. Thanks for watching. We have a huge collection of kitchen gadget recipes including air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker and many others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Best of all, join our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. There we have plenty of printables, cooking time cheat sheets, free ebooks and mini courses to help you along your way in your kitchen gadgets journey.